What's up, everybody?
What's up?
We are in the bush today.
The Bundus.
No car stuff. Out in the wild. Ha! Lies. We're actually being cinematic and like gay with our cars. But today marks the day before we go to Red Bull car park drift.
It marks the day we're actually loading up shortly.
Yeah, we're actually supposed to be there already. We're taking our sweet time by making this video. So yeah, we're going to load some tires and some seats. Chase is loading seats in my car.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. This guy helps me all the time.
That's for you, Paolo. So a quick walk around the cars, what we did, what it's about. I'm going to talk about what I like on his car.
And I'm going to talk about what I like on his car.
And we got, come here, brother. State your name.
Name is Connor.
Where you from?
Obviously, this is Johannesburg. Chase and Tony's friends. Obviously, Tony's neighbor, beautiful neighbor, best neighbor. With the beautiful cars.
Hey, dude. What do you think of the new sticker jobs?
Sexy. Couldn't do any better.
So who do you think's gonna win in Durban?
Obviously, Chase and Tony.
Oh, you can't both win. That's so biased, though.
That's a good answer. Good answer.
So yeah, okay, cool. So we're gonna just take a walk around the cars, and I'm gonna talk about what I like on Chase's car most. You know what? I really like this, man. The Drift Pigs. It's JP and the crowd from the Rock Raceway. I really love that sticker a lot. But my ultimate favorite on your car, the detail is on the side skirt.
Yeah.
I wish I had a side skirt. I would do something very similar, but mine's all plain Jane, so there's nothing there.
Yeah. Nah, it needs a side skirt. Comment down below if you say Tony needs, it's time for a kit.
Sponsor. Comment down below. Well, then we got whatever, I think.
Yeah, let's go like this. Okay, my favorite part about Mr. Tony C's car. But specifically, now obviously we know what happened on that fender.
Nothing happened, yeah.
Clearly nothing happened there, but
Looks
now
good.
it was sprayed white, and I think that it looks amazing with all the black stickers. And even again, man, that looks so good. It reminds me of like a Florida vibe, but that looks so dope, the way the white bleeds into the black, as you can even see on the detail. Man, that looks rad. To me, that's like my favorite part. But what I also love is the back end, obviously, with that big sticker there. It just looks right like a proper race drift car. But this looks dope, man. What is this now? S13.5?
Actually, it's a strawberry
face.
Strawberry banana face.
I like it, man. Jeez, that. But okay.
Actually, I lied. My favorite.
Yes, I was about to get to that,
Yes.
because the white is my favorite, but this is a close second.
This is so cool.
I love it. I think it looks dope.
So yeah, that's our cars, and that's what it's about. And a big shout out to all the sponsors. Wait, before we shout out the sponsors, check Chase's car. He's showing off my Teddy, but look at these lips, man. They look rather inviting, I would say.
Flavor. Acid berry from Slayer.
Yeah, so yeah, big shout out to all the sponsors: Slayer, Dominic's Auto, Detail Ease, Hydro Africa, Ultra Racing, the Drift Pigs. You know, we're gonna go and we're gonna represent and do our best that we can this weekend.
Try and make all of you proud.
We're bringing gold home, yo.
And thanks for believing in us, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, without you guys that are sponsoring us in this event, it wouldn't have been possible. You know, it really is because of companies like you that keeps guys like us going in the industry, and the industry going in a whole. So big things are to come out of drifting. We're reigniting the whole sport again. And again, with you guys on board, there's no way we can fail.
Thanks for always watching and giving us views and shares, and we hope to provide you guys with all the necessary entertainment. Oh, by the way, we're actually going to like entertain you guys with the whole video. Well, I don't know if you guys want us to do the trip down, the trip up, and then the in-between stuff.
Maybe
or you
even
just want
day one, day two.
Yeah, or do you want us to jump directly into it? I don't know.
One long movie of a video, or day one,
Two
day
segments. I think 2 segments is
I
cool.
think that's pretty rad.
Yeah.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah. So, last but not least, obviously, the channel's almost on 10,000 subs. We're like really close. I think it's 9,600 or something to that effect.
We're nearly there.
Not really. So, 10,000 sub, you stand a chance to win.
So if you're the 10,000 subscriber, take a screenshot, hit it up to us on Instagram,
tag us
with the JDM Fanatic or Ruthless66_ZA, And what will they be getting, Uncle T?
Oh,
It's pretty
you guys will be winning a hamper, man. So we're gonna have some Slayer drinks. We're gonna have a box of Slayers. We're gonna have Detail Ease automotive
beautiful
products.
package for you.
Yeah, obviously if you want to keep your car restored and always shining, you know, wheel cleaners, tire shines, we're gonna get you guys hooked up.
And
Then
we're also going to keep you looking fresh.
t-shirts, yeah, Ruthless 66, the JDM Fanatic. We're gonna get you some JHB clothing. What else, Mr. Chase?
A whole
Oh,
bunch else.
We'll throw a lucky packet of something
That's it.
else in there,
Yeah,
just
a whole bunch else.
for you guys, you know, sticker packs and whatever. But you know what to do? We're on our way to Derbs. We're late, Chase.
Yeah, we have to go load
We gotta
these
go,
things
bro.
up. We got to rush.
Yeah, let's go.
Luckily, we got V8s.
Yeah, I don't have fuel, but I got a V8. Anyways, say goodbye to the folks.
Say what's up.
Hey, what's up? Till next time, ladies, gents,
We'll see you guys later.
boys, girls. We love you long time. Keep watching the channel. Like, share, subscribe, and support.
Keep us in mind for this weekend.
It's going to be live on Ignition Channel 181. So, watch your favorite drifters, even if it's not us. It doesn't matter. Just support the art of drifting. Channel 181 on Ignition.
I'm going to put my money on Rion Stokes and Jim
I'm going to put my money on...
for second and third because we can. Just kidding.
I'm putting my money on Chase. Sweet, guys. Bye.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher, Slaughter Gang Soul Snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper.